What's going on YouTube? This is BXBomber718 back at you with another video unboxing, and today I'm unboxing the accessories to go with my Asus ROG Zephyrus G14 2022 edition. Okay, so over here on my left, we're starting off with the ROG Delta White Edition RGB Quad DAC gaming headset. Right there in the middle, we have the ROG Strix Impact 2 Moonlight White optical gaming mouse. And over here on the right, we have the G915 TKL wireless lightspeed keyboard, RGB mechanical gaming keyboard by Logitech. Okay, these two over here are by Asus. This one over here is by Logitech. Okay, so the purpose of these accessories, the headset obviously is so I can get premium high quality or hi-fi sound while I'm doing gaming, productivity, business, web browsing, media consumption, etc. Right in the middle is my standard mouse that I'll be using with the device. It has about 6,000 DPI on it, so it's pretty accurate. It's wired, and it has some Aura lighting on it from Asus. Same thing with the ROG Delta headset. And over here on the right is a wireless 10 keyless Lightspeed RGB mechanical gaming keyboard by Logitech. So I'll have that. So when I do want to do some gaming, or I want to do some really serious typing, right, I can take that out. It's wireless, and I can set that up and do my gaming and my typing business. All right, so let's go ahead and unbox these things. So the Asus ROG Delta White Edition, this headset right here, I purchased this from Amazon for $149.99. Excuse me, not Amazon. I purchased it from Micro Center for $149.99. I was going to purchase it from Amazon, but I decided to go and physically pick it up myself. Okay, just go ahead and get the shrink wrap off of it. Got some shrink wrap on it here. Alright, so the shrink wrap is off. Okay, so now let's proceed to unbox it. And let's see, how do we do that? Okay, I see. Alright, so we lift it up just like this. Move these devices to the side. And then we're greeted with the Republic of Gamers ROG-I. And then here, very, very nice packaging. Welcome to the elite Republic of Gamers community. Your ROG Delta headset was designed and tested by professional gamers to immerse you fully in every thrilling experience. Get ready to rise up to the next level of gaming mastery. Game on. All right. Excellent, excellent presentation. This is wonderful. Like, the unboxing experience is phenomenal. All right, look at this. You got the soft foam in here. You got the hard cardboard there, okay? Now here we are greeted with the ROG Delta. This is the White Edition, okay? It has a quad DAC system inside, which I'm very eager to take a listen to. All right, so I'm taking it out. This looks pretty bulky. Here's the side. This is an Asus ROG logo that lights up with the Asus Aura lighting. Here's the chrome accents, which I think is cool because that actually matches the chrome accent that's on the Zephyrus G14. All right, and same thing here on this side, on the left side. Okay. Now also inside the ear cups is an ROG logo. Nice foam material with like a leather type of outer. Okay, this also has the ROG logo in it, if you can see it. Okay. All right. The top is kind of soft cushioning as well. Here you have the Republic of Gamers at the top. All right, let's take this piece out here. All right, and as you can see, this is a gold-plated USB Type-C cable. All right. There we go. Okay. So, yeah, the headset does not feel, it's a slight heft to it, but it doesn't feel overwhelmingly heavy. But it feels like it's very comfortable. So, all right, so then we're greeted with another box. Let's see what's inside this box here. We open it from this side. All right, we have a microphone that connects with a 3.5 millimeter plug. Okay, we are given a Type-C to USB Type-A converter cable. Okay, we are given an additional set of cushion for the earbuds. These, though, seem like they are like more of a mesh for more breathability, which I might prefer over these, because these look like they'll get dirty quick and that'll make my head sweat. But that's interesting. Okay, so let's see how that works. We can slide that onto there. But this is good to have. Okay, let's see what else we got. We are given a warranty card, and we are given a gaming headset, ROG Delta gaming headset, quick start guide. Okay, so those are the goodies that we are given. Let me put these back, and the packaging is awesome. So we are going to put everything back. Again, Asus has the best packaging in the business, man. I love their design language. It's awesome. Look at that iridescence on there. So you can see the back if you're interested. Okay. All right. So let us move on to the next accessory. That is the Asus ROG Strix Impact 2 Moonlight White Optical Gaming Mouse. All right. I got this from Amazon. This one came from Amazon. It was about $50. All right, so we got the top open. Let's pull this down. All right, present it with another tab. Go and pull this tab. All right, and we'll present it with the mouse. Here it is right here. It's definitely not compact and mobile. Looks like more of a desktop mouse, but that's fine. We can live with that. And the headset also looks desktop grade as well. But you know, these were the best white accessories that I could get to match it from the same manufacturer. This is a warranty card by Asus that comes with it. And here is a ROG Strix Impact 2 Moonlight White Optical Gaming Mouse. This is the quick start guide. All right. All right, and then now we have the cord in the back. Just take that out. All right, here's the mouse right here. I'm going to open this up. And reveal the mouse. The mouse feels very lightweight. It's all plastic, but it feels very lightweight. So I'm supposed to have Asus Aurora lighting right here as headlights. Then the actual mouse wheel lights up too. You can take a look right here. And then the logo lights up as well. All right, so this is not as unassuming and low key as the Asus ROG Flow X13 that I have, but it is what it is. Okay, so these are both wired devices. So I have to transition to that, 'cause typically I like to get wireless peripherals for my mobile devices. So I'm gonna go ahead and put this stuff back. Okay, so last but not least is the Logitech 10 keyless Lightspeed wireless RGB mechanical gaming keyboard. Okay, and this is the one with brown switches, the tactile switches. All right, it also has light sync. All right, so let us get started on this. Here's the back. In case you're interested, you can pause it and take a look at it yourself. All right, nothing fancy anywhere else. All right, so there is some plastic tape keeping it closed right here. We're gonna slice right through that. There we go. We're gonna lay it down. We're gonna lift it up. It's a bit stiff, so it's gonna use need some work to get it separated. All right. Oh, look at that. Has an ergo lift. Everything has ergo lift now. I guess this had it first. This came up before the Zephyrus G915. All right, so here it is. This looks phenomenal, and it actually matches perfectly with these peripherals. That was the goal. I could have got the black one, which would have been cheaper. I actually paid $188 for this with tax from Lenovo.com because I had a coupon, not a coupon, but I had a rewards that I had accumulated from buying items from Lenovo, and I used it to bring the price down on this. But they had a black version on Amazon that was much cheaper, about $175 or whatever, but I needed the white aesthetic. So that's why I got this. All right. So it feels phenomenal. I had the black version about 2 years ago. I returned it. Okay. Feels pretty good. Really good, really good. Okay. And then you have your rubber feet on the back, and then you have your little pieces to prop it up here. And there's two of them. So one gives you 4 degrees, one gives you 8 degrees. Okay. Now here, I believe is the slot that you can put the receiver in. That's what it looks like. It has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 rubber feet, and 1, 2, 3, 4 screws if you want to get in there and upgrade it. Nah, I'm just playing with you. All right. So that is cool. What else do we get with this? Let's take a look. All right, we do get a wireless receiver. All right. Okay. Let's see. We do also get a charging cable. This is a micro USB to USB type A. This is going to be a charging cable. And it does come with some documentation. All right, so this is a quick start guide right here, 1-page quick start guide. This is a Logitech G series sticker, and this is your warranty card information. All right, so all in all, pretty interesting. Pretty interesting. All right. That back. Let's close this up. This ergo lift technology. Okay, let's put that to the side. All right, so let's see our accessories together. Wow, this is nice aluminum. The keyboard is a great kind of aluminum right there. All right, here's a really nice shot of everything. As you can see, it's color coordinated, silver, gray, and white. All right, there's a matte Moonlight white, and this is like a lustrous kind of white. And this is like an off-white on here with the silver. So the color scheme works. Looks really good, right? So stay tuned for the overview video while I have the G14 and the accessories together and give you my take on them after I play with them for a little bit, all right? So thank you for watching. Peace.